Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Supabase database and authentication for projects, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up a Supabase database and authentication for your projects, begin by creating a Supabase account at supabase.io. Once you've signed up and confirmed your email, log in to your Supabase dashboard. Click on the New Project button to create your first project. Fill in the project details, including the project name and password. Select your preferred database region, then click Create New Project. Wait for your project to be created. This may take a moment. Once the project is ready, you will be directed to your project's dashboard. Navigate to the Database section on the left sidebar. You will see options for managing tables and relationships. Click on Table Editor to create your first table. Give your table a name and define the columns you need. For each column, choose the appropriate data type. Be sure to set a primary key for your table if necessary. After adding the columns, click Save to create the table. Next, navigate to the Auth section for setting up authentication. In the authentication settings, enable the providers you want users to log in with. You can choose from email, Google, GitHub, and other options. If you choose email, you can customize email templates for verification. Next, go to the API section in your project's dashboard. Here you'll find your API keys and the project URL. Take note of these, as you'll need them to connect your application to Supabase. Now, let's integrate Supabase with your application. Install the Supabase client library by running the appropriate command for your project. For JavaScript, use npm or yarn to install at supabase/supabase.js. Import the library into your application code. Initialize Supabase with your API URL and public key. Start implementing authentication features by creating sign-up and login functions. Utilize the Supabase authentication methods in your code. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.